Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome to the channel. Just wanted to say good morning. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hope it started out really well for you. I hope you have a lot of positive and joyful things planned for today. It's early and I'm out here in my backyard just um, doing some watering and some cleaning up. Um, and just want to say good morning and wish you well and give you a look at this beautiful morning. Y'all hear all those birds chirping? And I'm just cleaning up a little bit, and I'll just give you a little view of what's going on here, just washing down the patio. Let's see what's going on here. I'll try not to get you wet here in my coffee. So, this morning I was just getting watering my plants a little bit here. Getting some water on those for it. I think it's supposed to get really hot today, so I wanted to go ahead and get them all watered up so when the heat comes in, we have something to work with so they don't dry out so fast. And get it done. Copy down and I'll just turn you around here, let you see what's going on. And get these waters. Here. Yeah, I've been out here for a little while. Also, like I said, I'm washing down the patio. I'm washing down the patio and getting it all cleaned up here, y'all. I'm getting it all cleaned up. We got a lot of construction going on the other side of me. So what I'm doing is kind of washing out some of that red dirt that we get down here in North Carolina. So it layers up after a little while. So just out here cleaning up a little bit, cleaning, from the birds and the elements, cleaning up a little bit, y'all. Just wondering, what do you guys got planned for today? Got big plans? I'm thinking to myself, maybe I should have planned a little more. There were some other things I could have been doing this morning, but kind of was taking it easy. I think I'm going to go ahead and get my schedule together, so I can plan some things. Some of the things, like I want to kind of get out here and display some of my baskets from Mamie's Baskets and Bundles. And I think I'm going to get out here since it's getting so nice and everybody is out. Maybe I'll try to get out on some of these Saturday mornings to some locations where some people can stop by, and pick up some of those baskets, and enjoy their summer. And I got a lot of stuff out there for them, so I'm going to get that going. So I'll start doing that try to do that on some Saturday mornings. That's the go, y'all. That's the go. Get some of those things done, and if I get my patio together, so if I want to sit out here today, it'll be clean and nice, like I like it. I can put those umbrellas up and sit back here and enjoy this beautiful scenery, beautiful weather. And maybe get a little bit of work done, y'all. Not a whole lot, but a little bit of work. Beautiful scenery, enjoying myself out here. Maybe I'll get to do some of that. Also, I was thinking, man, I haven't barbecued in a while, y'all. So should I be getting out here doing some barbecuing? Just just when we barbecue, I usually barbecue more than enough and it lasts for so long. And being that, you know, we're empty nesters, may not want to eat barbecue that long. That's my issue. You know, you gotta learn how to just queue it up just for a couple burgers or, you know, a couple of these, but not the whole haul that like I like to try to cook. Oh yeah. Besides the fact, you guys, I've been thinking that I may need to make, I haven't had in a long time, some pasta salad. I'm thinking it's about time for me to make some, y'all. And I'm thinking I'm gonna make some pasta salad and get it made. Yeah, a couple of things I got coming up. I think I want to make pretty soon. I think I want to cook a couple of my Welcome to Mamie kitchens, and I'm thinking I want to do one on pasta salad, one of the pasta salads I like to make, and also fruit pizza. What do you guys think? Give me some comments. What do you think? Should I go ahead and get that done? And I've been considering also maybe doing some lives where we can, you know, cook together. You know. Today we just chilling out, cleaning up a little bit out here in the yard, dusting off some of the dust and dirt, and considering other options that I should be doing or working on, that I could work on, or, you know, things that you might want to see, and do. That's the plan, y'all. What y'all think? What do you guys think? Should we be doing? You know, what do you think? I'm thinking, sounds good to me, y'all. See, I'm trying to wash some of that dust off that grill, y'all. I know it's getting close to time for me to pull out that pressure washer, y'all. Haven't done it yet. But what y'all think? It's time to get the pressure washer out? I know. There's so much dust and dirt. There's just so much dust and dirt that's going on that's out here, and I know it's time to get it out, but they're studying putting the dirt back on. It's kind of like, am I defeating the purpose? I can wash off a layer, and tomorrow a new layer is going to be back out here. So, and I need to clean the house. It's time to get the house pressure washed, but they're going to be doing this construction over here for a while. So I'm thinking I'm going to wait a little bit longer before I even go ahead and do it. Because, you know, y'all know I don't like to throw away no money. And I got a pressure washer myself that I can do a little bit, but I'm not going to do a professional job because I need the whole house done, and I can get this patio, you know, it's stained. It needs stained as well, but I have to stain it every couple of years, and it's probably time for it to be stained. But I'm thinking I'm not going to stain it this year just because of all the construction we got going on. and maybe look toward next year. Next year when maybe some of this work is being done. As you see, y'all can see I'm in the backyard, and I'm going to show you here. See all that going on? My beautiful greenery. My beautiful trees are gone, y'all. They're gone. I'm missing them already. I am missing my trees. And they've cleaned up for miles back there. That's miles going all the way back that they're going to be putting a lot of houses. So we got a lot of construction that's going to be going on for a while. So I probably need to hold off on doing the pressure washing, and then perhaps come back at you guys when I'm they're probably going to get pressure washed next year, to be honest with you, just knowing what they got going on. You guys see it. I think that'll be a crazy move to do that. But just keeping this dust and dirt, I was just out here like a couple days ago cleaning off my patio, and the layer that was out here today was actually pretty ridiculous. It was pretty thick. So I want to sit back and enjoy it. I gotta get you to come out here and keep it clean, y'all. Well, okay, I just want to come on and say good morning and hello, and I hope this view that I'm trying to give you guys, try to give you a clear view of me, but I'm seeing nothing but darkness. Nothing but darkness, and it's beautiful sunny out here. I'm hoping you guys can see me pretty good, but we out here in the backyard just trying to make it happen. We're just making it happen. Getting the yard together, and not sure if the guy's gonna come and mow my lawn today, and keep, my lawn guy, my maintenance guy for my lawn. I don't know if he's coming today or not. We just kind of got it set up that he comes every like 2 weeks. He comes out and cut and trims and does all that kind of stuff for me. So, but today I'm just out here just trying to clean up a little bit and make it nice and get my plans together this morning. I got some trips I got to work on in just a little bit. So I'll have to go in my office and get on the computer to make some other things happen and get them all set up and scheduled and get that done. But just want to come on and say good morning and see how you're doing. I hope you're having an awesome day. Wish you well. Enjoy this beautiful weekend, and God's blessings to you. If this is your first time tuning in, I ask that you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome weekend. We'll see you in the next video.